Hi guys, Isha this side and I hope you are doing great. In this video, I'll talk about related and related table in DAX. What is the difference between these two functions and how you can use in DAX. Let's get started with related first. Related is very similar to what is VLOOKUP in Excel. There is a Microsoft site that gives explanation about DAX functions. Let's see what it says about related. It says that related returns a related value from another table, just like VLOOKUP in Excel, and syntax is related column. So related will not retrieve single value but rather a column. Let's understand this more with an example. So here is my Power BI. I have created two tables, product category and sales table. There is an active relationship between these two tables and product key being linking column. 2 points to be kept in mind while using related function. First, it will work only when you have active relationship between two tables, and secondly, it will work from many sides of the table, which is sales table in my case. Let's use this function. So I have two tables. One is product category with two columns, product key and category name, and then sales table which has multiple entries and product key is as one of the columns. What if I want to pull out category name across this product key? Let's add new column. Let me rename it as related check. I'll say related. See, if it's also giving me references for other column names, category name, product key. Let me zoom in for better clarity. So it's giving me suggestions also. I'll take category name from product category table. And here is my results. 4 is for accessories, 3 for clothing. Let's test it. 4 is accessory, 3 is clothing, likewise. So it's working fine. What if I want to work on one side of the relationship table, that is product category table here? Then I have to use related table function. Let's see how to use that also. I'll go to my product category table. I'll add new column. And now let me rename it as related table check. Let me use this function related table. I am getting suggestions. Let me take sales here and see what results do I get. If you see, I am getting an error. Error is saying that multiple columns cannot be converted to scalar value. Let's see what related table function is in Microsoft site. It says that related table evaluates a table expression in a context modified by given filters, and the syntax is related table and table name. So related table function will retrieve a table and not a single value that you can fit in the cell. That is why this error. However, you can use this table or rather this function with some other function that retrieves a singular value. Let me use it with, say, count rows. Let's see what results would I get here. Now I am getting the results of bikes as 13, components 12. Let's test if this is correct or not. I'll insert a table. Let me add category name, order quantity, and let's see count of rows. For accessories 11, bikes 13, accessories 11, bikes 13. So I'm getting correct results. That thing is verified. What will happen if I will not use related table and just use count rows? Let's check that also. I'll insert new column. Let me say it as count rows check, and I'll say count rows, and we'll just give the table name and see what results would I get. So I'm getting 50s, which means that the sales table has total of 50 rows, and that is the count I am getting in this formula if I use it without related table. So what's happening is related table is performing context transition. Context transition means that when your row value becomes your column filter. If you see here, bikes is my row value which has become my column filter. If I go to sales table, bikes is my row value which has become, say, column filter, and if now I'll count the number of rows, it will give me results of 13 that I am getting here. And likewise for other category names. But if you will not use related table, then there is no row, then there is no context transition happening, thereby giving you total sum of all the rows in sales table. So that is one advantage of using related table. We can say, let's use it with some iterator function also. Let me add new column, say sum, check, sum x. If I'll just give sales table and let me add only order quantity, then my results would be 274, which is the total order quantity across all categories. What if I want sum of total orders category wise? Then I can use related table function and accordingly my result will vary. So for bikes category, I have total order quantity of 57, and likewise for other categories. Let's see what will happen if I use related table in the sales table here, which is my many sides of the relationship. So I'll add new column. Let me rename it as related table product category, and I'll use it since it will result a table and not to get an error of scalar value. Let me use it with count rows. So if you will see, the result will be 1 for each and every row, because accessories has just one row in product category table and likewise for other categories. So answer will be 1 for each and every row here. I hope now this clarifies when to use related and when to use related table. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a great day and bye.